Hi everyone. Every tip I'm going to give you here has been tested by professionals in the shop where I'm working, so don't worry. This has a solution. When your Ford shows the Door Ajar message, the first thing you think is, which door? They're all closed. And that's where the mystery begins. The truth is, most of the time, the car isn't wrong for fun. The sensor system thinks a door is open, even though everything looks fine visually. It's like when your dog barks because it thinks it saw something, but it was just a shadow. The most common issue mechanics in this shop report is that the door sensors get dirty or corroded over time. Dust, crumbs, moisture, or road salt can make the small switch that detects if the door is closed send weird signals. Cleaning the sensor with some contact cleaner or even a little WD-40 usually makes the message disappear without drama. Sometimes the problem comes from loose connectors or damaged wires that run through the door hinge. Every time you open and close the door, that harness moves, flexes, and can lose contact or corrode slightly. Mechanics who inspect and secure these wires often see the message disappear almost immediately, showing that the car just needed a helping hand to understand that the doors were properly closed. Another frequent culprit is the door latch or striker plate. If the latch doesn't fully engage or is slightly worn, the sensor interprets the door as open, even though it looks closed to you. Applying a bit of mechanism grease or WD-40 usually allows the sensor to recover the correct signal and the message goes away completely. If after all this the warning still appears, many mechanics agree that the sensor itself could be damaged. In older vehicles or cars constantly exposed to moisture, the switch can fail internally and send incorrect readings. Replacing the faulty sensor generally solves the problem for good. Finally, there are cases where the car's electronic module gets confused by conflicting readings from multiple sensors, and the message persists even though everything is fine. In these situations, disconnecting the battery for a few minutes or performing a reset with a scanner can reboot the system and give the car the reassurance that the doors are indeed closed.